everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Holly and today I've got a video talking through pattern testing a new pair of jeans pattern from made by the New Craft House. It's like their first pattern that they've brought out, and because normally they sell fabrics and stuff, so that's what I'm going to do today. I thought I'd just walk you through the process, what is happening, and then show you the jeans at the end. Obviously I'm pattern testing this, so I will have some feedback and it might change slightly to the pattern that's out now, but yeah, I thought this would be really exciting to show you through the process. I was kindly asked by New Craft House to pattern test their jeans, and they gave me a £30 voucher for their shop to buy the fabric with, which is perfect. And I'll show you what I bought. I bought some black twill fabric. I don't think you can see. There you go, there you can see. Black twill. So I've got a black pair of jeans, and this is, it's called the Ultimate, I think it's the Ultimate Jeans is the name of the jeans pattern, but it's just a lovely pair of straight, high-waisted pair of jeans. So that's what I'm doing today. Yesterday I started the jeans. I started with the pockets. The first sort of set of instructions and way you do it is making all the pockets. So I've gone for a really cool pocket bag. Basically it was just from my stash. I had a little bit of scraps and I thought that would make a really good pocket bag. It's quite cool with the black, but obviously if it's a pocket bag you're not going to be able to see it anyway, only from the inside of the jeans. So yeah, so I got my pocket, and it's got a little ticket pocket. That's what I did yesterday, and so far so good. I haven't made many pairs of jeans. I think I've made maybe 1 or 2 pairs of jeans, and that was at uni. Like learning how to draft the pattern and stuff. So this is really exciting. My first pair of jeans that I can wear for myself, which is great. So far the pattern's been really good. Like really good. I haven't got that many notes at all so far. Really, yeah, really simple. The images are great. Like really good. That's just an example of the images, and it's just so easy to follow. So far so good. So I'll turn around the camera and then you can see a bit more up close of where I'm at and my pockets. But yeah, let's get sewing with me. Now, if you like these type of videos, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. I do lots of sewing videos. So yes, let's get sewing. Right, so I've just got to the top stitching. We've got our pocket in. Here's our lining, and I just spent so long trying to press this down so we don't see the lining at all, and that's why I've got a lot of pins to do this in place, because now I need to do 2 lines of top stitching along here just to secure this pocket into place. So I'm really hoping it stays in place. So here we go, there's the pocket in. I've done my top stitching, that's one leg, and there's the other with its little pocket there. So looking really good. So those are the pockets done. I'm now on to zip and flies, I think. Hello, let's update you where I'm at. I have one side of my jeans. I'm starting the zip now. So this is a zip placket which goes round like this. And we got the zip extension, I think it's called. Fly extension. And now I'm just going to go on the zip. I quickly would share with you what zip I'm going to be using. It's nothing too exciting or different, but I thought I'd just share also what yesterday I went to a little haberdashery near me, and yeah, I got some nice things. I got some zips, some interfacing. Sometimes like interfacing, you need to feel it and see how heavy it is. Yeah, so I might just insert some of the footage that I took for Instagram of my little shopping trip. But this is, I've got an invisible zip. It's got a black invisible zip for a skirt that I want to make. And then I got just a normal, oh no, where is it? 1 minute. Found my zip. I thought I had a panic attack that I forgot to bite it. But anyway, yeah, for this I just literally bought a black metal zip, and it's 8 inches. That's what the pattern asks for. So yeah, so I'm just going to now insert that, and I'll insert the shopping footage here as well. A little bit of a haberdashery tour, if you will. So yeah, let's get putting the zip on. Just out doing a bit of shopping. I kind of need to get, you know, like all the bits. I need some zippers, I need some interfacing, I need all those sort of things. So, and I'm here going to like a little haberdashery that's local to me. Well, not that local, kind of near me. So yeah, I thought I'd just share the shop as it's got some lovely stuff in it, and then I'll share what I've been buying.
I bought this for Christmas because I was talking to you and you said about your mum knitting on large needles. Yes, that's right. So my mum's 85 and I got it for Christmas. She did it. She did.
Look at all these walls. How much wool is that? If you want some wool, definitely come down to.
Apparently we do actually have a Logan cutter with that comes out some more about
And some fabrics.
do you mind actually if we just take your number and just call you back with all the details? Then you don't have to...
These are beautiful. Look, William Morris. We've got Liberty. So here we go. I'll just update you what we've got. So we've got the back of the fly. We've got the zip in place. I've now top stitched all the way down to the zip, and I'll show you the inside. And that's that. And I've bound the edge of that so it's not a raw edge, and it looks really pretty. So here we go. That's how we're looking at the moment. What we're looking like. All the zip and everything is in. We're just now going to attach the front together at the crotch, and then I think waistband and legs got to go on. But yeah, that's where we are at. Let me show you the other side. Oh, so jazzy with my funky fabric inside. I really like it. So yeah, so I've got pockets in this, and I've bound all the edges with the leopard print as well, which I think just makes it a bit nicer, so I haven't got any raw edges everywhere. Yeah. Right, so my zip and front pockets and zip are finished. Let's make, I've trusted it. There we go. We got a working zip and a fly. So that's exciting. And the fronts, the two legs are stitched together. So now it says to go onto the yoke of the back. I think around the back it's got a yoke. So that's next thing on the list to do. So I've got my two pockets on, here, and now it's time to stitch the back crotch together. Gosh, my cat's fur, or like Fluff, is loving this black fabric. Great. So yeah, I'm going to stitch that together now. So I've put my first fitting on before I put the waistband on, just to make sure that all the waist is fitting good. And yeah, oh, it's so bright, all every dust speck is appearing. But yeah, they're looking they're looking good. They fit me around the waist really well. The yoke's fitting me well. So yeah, looking good. And I'm back this next day. And I thought I'd just update you where I am at. So we've got a pair of jeans. I've put the waistband on and I got some loops. So yeah, it's coming along really well. Now I'm just need to do buttonhole here and button for the top of the trousers, and then we've got to hem them, and then we're almost there, which is really, really exciting. So that is where I'm up to next. Now with the buttonhole, I'm trying to work out if my machine can actually maneuver, because I've got quite a few layers of a really, really thick fabric. It's having a bit of a struggle, so I'm just going to work out if it can manage it. So let's hope it does. Hello everyone, right, my jeans are finished. So I thought I'll just, it's another day, it's a 4th day of making these jeans. And I thought I'd just put it on a tripod and show you the jeans. Now I've put on my buttonhole and I've put on, I'll show you a bit close up in a minute, a like tortoiseshell button, which I think was quite cool. I wanted black, but I didn't have one, but I thought that still looks quite cool. So yeah, so these were, I think the name of these trousers are the Everyday Jeans. And now I've got them on, the fit is really well. They're high-waisted, quite high-waisted up to here because my ribs are about here. So they are high-waisted, but they're really comfortable. Around the waist, they're a tiny bit big for me, but then that is really good for moving, for sewing, for eating. High-waisted jeans can be a bit uncomfortable sometimes when they're too tight and so high-waisted. So I'm really happy with the fit, and they fit really well down around my hips. And I'll show you the back. I'll put the camera down in a minute so you can see. The black's really hard to show, but I just wanted to come on and say I'd finished them. Here we go, let me just put the camera down and then I can get a bit more of a close-up of the details, and you can see what they look like, and the bottom of my legs. So the camera's down so you can see a bit more of the jeans. So this is how they fit. They're quite, it's so hard with black jeans to show the detail. But if you're over on my Instagram, then I'll put up photos and stuff as well. So we've got the 2 pockets, then we have the yoke here which cinches you in around the waistline, and then we have the waistband. If I go back, oh you still can't see, there you go, I'm on tippy toes, but that's like the straight leg of the jeans, which I think I probably could have gone a little bit longer. Because you see a bit more gaping when I move my leg. They are meant to be cropped, but I've already added 4 centimetres on the end. But remember, this is pattern testing. I don't know if they've, in the future, now has altered the pattern, but I was pattern testing it. But so far, so good, really good. Just the length, I probably could have gone a little bit longer, but really comfortable. Like this area here, you know, like this proportions here are really comfortable on me. The leg is comfortable. Now I've got quite thin legs, so I was worried that they were going to swamp me, but they haven't, and I really like them. So yeah, so if the patterns, when the pattern's out, I'll leave it linked in the description box, and the link for the fabric probably won't still be there because these were, I bought this fabric quite a while ago, but I'll leave a link to the fabric shop anyway. So yeah, so these are my trousers. Just on the other side, my sewing machine's like behind the ring light. So yeah, thank you for, we've been down a little bit so in camera. Thanks for watching along and sew with me while pattern testing. It's been really good. Let me put my shirt back on now we've seen all the details. Yeah, thanks for watching along. If you enjoy these type of videos, make sure you subscribe and like this video. It really helps with things. And yes, and I'll see you again soon. I think I've got a few more. I can't say what, I don't know when this video is coming out, so I can't say what's coming, but probably previous to this video, if you've just found my channel, check out all my videos. I've got, yeah, sew with me, I have fabric hauls, I have I've put down all my plans of what I'm going to be making in 2022 as well. So yeah, go and check out those videos and I'll leave them linked. So yeah, bye.